Let's talk about how to draw a line within the site editor. The site editor enables you to create lines in linear geometry on your site plan. If you have used AutoCAD, Vectorworks, or similar CAD software, think of it much like a drawing tool, right? Like we can also draw a polygon, but there is a polygon tool. It is sitting in a corner up here that you can see. And if you click on it and hold it, you will notice that there are different types of lines that you can create. When you select one, you notice on the bottom there is also a selection of the other types. On the bottom of the screen, you can see that there is type of command, just like AutoCAD or Vectorworks and so forth, the type of object that's being created, and various other settings that you can do. To create a line, you simply are tracing. That's all there is. For example, you want to maybe trace this grass line all the way to the bottom. So you zoom in, you click, and you basically are going to trace the line as you wish. And it is, you notice that it is measuring, it is understanding where it is on the project, right? So you just double click it here, and that's your line. When you click on the line, the object information is presented next to you. Now, if you're drawing a line and you start, for example, here, and you want to change it, you select another method, and you can make all the changes that you wish. There are many ways to draw the line. Think of it as how AutoCAD or SketchUp or similar CAD software work. And it is completely traceable on the image that you're working with.